Hi guys, welcome back to Food and Mood Creations. Today we're making a blackened chicken rice bowl. I added water to a pot and I'm gonna let it come to a boil. Then I'm gonna add the brown rice, olive oil, salt, and a garlic clove. Even though brown rice is a carb, it still has some health benefits. Brown rice is a whole grain, which means it is considered a low glycemic food and can lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. Brown rice is also a fiber-rich food that keeps you fuller for longer periods of time. If you want to know more about the health benefits of brown rice, sign up for my weekly newsletter and you will be notified as soon as it drops tomorrow. I covered the brown rice, decreased the heat to low, and allowed it to cook for 45 minutes. Then I removed the rice from the stove and let it sit for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to remove the garlic clove and fluff it with a fork. I seasoned this chicken with garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and a few other spices. There isn't any footage of it because I already seasoned the chicken before I decided to film content. I am going to add it to a hot skillet and cook it for 5 minutes per side until it develops a rich brown crust. If you want to know the exact spices I used to season this chicken, the recipe is in the description box below. These are just some onions, carrots, and bell peppers I had on hand. You can use whatever vegetables you have on hand. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to a skillet and add the vegetables and saute them for 3 minutes until the onions start to soften. I added onion powder, garlic powder, and thyme, and now I'm adding a little bit of water. And I'm going to cover this and let this cook for 5 minutes until the vegetables are tender. To assemble this blackened chicken rice bowl, I'm just gonna scoop the brown rice into a half-cup measuring cup and put it into the center of a bowl. If you are on the keto diet or subscribe to a low-carb lifestyle, you can substitute cauliflower rice. There are also suggestions on the blog to customize this blackened chicken rice bowl so that it is keto friendly. There's also a cauliflower rice recipe on the blog that is linked in the description box below. Now I'm just adding those sauteed vegetables to the rice. I'm gonna cut this chicken into slices and then add it to the blackened chicken rice bowl. This is how the blackened chicken rice bowl came out. It was very delicious. If you're skeptical about brown rice, it's very similar to white rice. It just has a slightly nuttier, chewier texture than white rice. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. The recipe is linked in the description box below. And see you in the next video.